Welcome to part 2 of our Chinatown Singapore tour. Today, we'll delve into the vibrant Krita Air neighborhood, known for its rich history and cultural diversity. As we wander through the streets, we'll uncover some hidden gems that showcase the area's unique charm, from quaint cafes and artisan shops to stunning murals and local markets. After exploring Krita Air, we'll head over to the People's Center complex, a bustling hub that reflects the spirit of the community. Here, you'll find a mix of government services, community organizations, and local businesses, all contributing to the dynamic atmosphere of Chinatown. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any of the excitement. We've got plenty of surprises and interesting discoveries lined up, and you won't want to miss a single moment of this vibrant tour through Chinatown. Let's dive in. As we walk around Krita Air, let's take a moment to explore the stunning shop houses that line the streets. These beautifully preserved buildings, with their colorful facades and intricate architectural details, reflect the rich heritage of Singapore's Chinese community. Let's explore Nanyang Old Coffee Cafe, a charming spot that offers a taste of Singapore's traditional coffee culture. As we step inside, we're greeted by a warm and inviting atmosphere, reminiscent of the old-school coffee shops that have been a staple in the community for decades. The cafe's decor features nostalgic elements, with wooden furniture, vintage posters, and an array of traditional coffee-making equipment on display. The smell of freshly brewed coffee fills the air, blending with the aroma of delicious local dishes that are often served here. At Nanyang Old Coffee, you can savor a cup of their signature kopi, a strong and aromatic coffee brewed using traditional methods. Be sure to try it with condensed milk for that classic kaya toast experience. Speaking of kaya toast, this cafe also serves up perfectly toasted bread slathered with rich kaya, coconut jam, and butter, making it a popular breakfast option. As we enjoy our drinks, we can take a moment to appreciate the cafe's role as a gathering place for locals. It's common to see groups of friends or families enjoying a leisurely meal, catching up over cups of coffee and delicious snacks. The friendly staff adds to the welcoming atmosphere, making it a great place to unwind and soak in the local vibe. Nanyang Old Coffee Cafe is not just a place to grab a quick bite, it's a delightful experience that allows us to connect with Singapore's culinary heritage. Let's take our time to enjoy the flavors and ambience before we continue our exploration. Now, let's start exploring the vibrant Temple Street Market and the heritage Chinatown area. As we make our way to Temple Street, you'll immediately feel the lively energy of this bustling marketplace. Temple Street is famous for its street stalls and vendors selling a variety of goods, from souvenirs and traditional handicrafts to clothing and accessories. The vibrant colors of the merchandise, along with the lively chatter of shoppers and vendors, create an exciting atmosphere that's hard to resist. As we stroll through the market, take a moment to browse the unique offerings, including intricate jade jewelry, traditional Chinese tea, and beautiful silk products. You might even find some quirky trinkets and gifts to take home. Beyond the stalls, the heritage Chinatown area is rich with history and culture. Look out for the beautifully restored shop houses and historic buildings that line the streets, each with its own story to tell. The architecture reflects a blend of Chinese, Malay, and colonial influences, showcasing Singapore's multicultural heritage. As we walk, we'll also come across cultural landmarks, such as the iconic Sri Mariamman Temple, Singapore's oldest Hindu temple, which features stunning intricate carvings and colorful sculptures. It's a fantastic opportunity to appreciate the diverse religious heritage of the area. Don't forget to keep an eye out for traditional Chinese medicine shops, herbalists, and old-school eateries that give you a taste of the past. Each corner of Temple Street and the surrounding heritage area offers a glimpse into the rich tapestry of Chinatown's history and culture, making it a fascinating place to explore. Let's take our time and immerse ourselves in the sights, sounds, and flavors of this incredible marketplace and heritage area. Let's explore the Sri Mariamman Temple, the oldest Hindu temple in Singapore, located right in the heart of Chinatown. As we approach the temple, you will be struck by its vibrant facade, adorned with intricate sculptures and colorful carvings of Hindu deities, which create a striking visual impact. Built in 1827, the temple serves as a place of worship for the local Hindu community and is dedicated to the goddess Mariamman, known for her powers of healing and protection. As we continue our exploration, let's make our way toward the nearest MRT station. Walking through the bustling streets, we'll pass by more colorful shop houses and vibrant stalls that showcase the lively spirit of Chinatown. Keep an eye out for interesting shops and eateries along the way, as you never know what hidden gems we might discover. The closer we get to the MRT station, the more we can feel the mix of locals and tourists enjoying the area. As we cross the bridge over to People's Park Center, we're entering a vibrant hub that offers a mix of shopping, dining, and cultural experiences. This multi-level complex is a favorite among locals and tourists alike, making it a perfect spot to explore. Once inside, we can check out the various shops that line the center. Here, you'll find everything from traditional Chinese medicine and herbal shops to clothing stores and specialty retailers selling unique souvenirs. It's a great place to pick up some local goods or gifts to take home. In addition to shopping, the People's Park Center features a range of dining options. We can grab a bite to eat at one of the many food stalls or restaurants, offering a variety of cuisines that reflect Singapore's multicultural food scene. From local delicacies to international fare, there's something to satisfy every palate. Another highlight of the People's Park Center is its cultural significance. The complex often hosts community events and exhibitions, showcasing the rich heritage of the Chinatown area. We might even stumble upon a cultural performance or an art display during our visit. As we explore, let's take some time to soak in the vibrant atmosphere and enjoy the lively interactions of shoppers and diners. People's Park Center is a great place to experience the local culture while enjoying a bit of shopping and dining before we continue our adventure in Chinatown. Let's check out the Hawker Center at People's Park. This bustling food court is a must-visit for anyone looking to indulge in authentic local cuisine. As we enter, the delicious aromas wafting through the air will immediately tantalize our taste buds, drawing us toward the various stalls. The Hawker Center features a wide array of food options, from traditional Chinese dishes to other local favorites. Here, you can find popular dishes like Hainan Esa chicken rice, char kwai diao, stir-fried rice noodles, and laksa, spicy noodle soup. Each stall is usually manned by experienced chefs who take pride in their craft, ensuring that every dish is bursting with flavor. As we cross over the bridge to Chinatown Point, we're entering a modern shopping mall that offers a delightful mix of retail, dining, and entertainment options. This bustling hub is a perfect complement to the traditional charm of Chinatown, providing a more contemporary shopping experience. Once inside, we can expect to find a variety of shops featuring everything from popular fashion brands to unique local boutiques. It's a great place to browse for souvenirs, trendy clothing, and accessories. The mall often hosts special promotions and events, adding to the lively atmosphere. As we explore Chinatown Point, let's not miss the opportunity to visit the Chinatown Community Library, located within the mall. This modern library is a fantastic resource for locals and visitors alike, offering a peaceful retreat amidst the bustling shopping environment. Upon entering, you'll notice the bright and inviting space designed for comfort and accessibility. The library features a diverse collection of books, magazines, and digital resources that cover a wide range of topics, from local history and culture to fiction and non-fiction. The design of the library often reflects elements of the local heritage, making it a great place to learn more about Chinatown's rich history. You can find dedicated sections for children, making it a family-friendly spot where young readers can discover the joys of reading. As we continue our exploration of Chinatown Point, we definitely can't miss Song Fa Bok Kut Tay, a popular eatery renowned for its delicious bok kut tay, or pork rib soup. This establishment has become a must-visit for both locals and tourists craving authentic Singaporean flavors. Upon entering, you will be greeted by a warm and inviting atmosphere, often bustling with diners enjoying their meals. The menu features a selection of bok kut tay variations, including the classic herbal soup and the peppery version. The tender pork ribs are simmered to perfection, infused with fragrant herbs and spices that create a comforting and savory broth. That's a wrap for today's video. I hope you enjoyed exploring the vibrant streets of Chinatown.